Should celebrities be held accountable for frenzies? Should celebrities ensure crowd safety when attending public events? The public debate between celebrity accountability and crowd management seems to be buzzing high. All went to Sandhya Theatre on December 4th evening. He made an open entry to the venue where a special screening of Pushpa 2 was happening. As stated by the Hyderabad police, over 100,000 people queued up to have a quick view of Allu Arjun at the site, resulting in a stampede. Revati and her son were run over by crowd. The police took them out and hurried them to the hospital, but Revati did not survive. On December 13th, Allu Arjun was taken into custody, then later given interim bail by the Telangana High Court for what it described as such police overreach. Shortly after the detention of the actor, he was confronted for some 3 hours by a police team supplemented by Deputy Commissioner Chanch Yadav. Key questions posed to the actor included: did you know police permission was denied for your appearance at the premiere? Who made the decision to proceed despite the lack of approval? Were you informed about this stampede when it happened? When did you learn about the victim's death? The investigation focuses on whether Allu Arjun's team adhered to proper protocols and whether his actions contributed to the tragedy. While police claim Mr. Arjun held an impromptu roadshow outside the theatre, the actor denies these allegations. He stated, "I just waved to people and went inside. No cop asked me to leave." His team released a letter dating 2 days before the event notifying authorities about his visit and requesting security arrangements. However, police argue the letter lacked details and did not follow established procedures. Public backlash and support. The public's reaction has been mixed. People say that the event occurred because of Allu Arjun, while others argue that it was solely due to law enforcement and theatre management that this incident happened. On Sunday, protesters, reportedly college students, came in front of the actor's residence and vandalized some parts of his house. Meanwhile, several colleagues from the industry came out in defense, saying he cannot be held responsible for what other people do. However, the actor has chosen to forgive Mr. Arjun. He told NDTV that he does not blame Mr. Arjun and is willing to withdraw the police case. The actor then announced a compensation of 25 lakh for the family, while the film's producer would pay another 50 lakh rupees. The bigger question. This incident raises pressing questions about celebrity culture and event management. Should celebrities ensure crowd safety when attending public events? Are law enforcement agencies sufficiently equipped to handle large gatherings? Where does the responsibility lie? In the hands of organizers, security personnel, or the celebrity themselves? A tragic lesson. The stampede at Sandhya Theatre is a stark reminder of the risk posed by large gatherings without adequate planning. While the investigation continues, this tragedy serves as a call for stricter protocols to ensure public safety at events involving high-profile figures. The debate over Allu Arjun's accountability persists, but the focus must remain on preventing such incidents in the future. What measures should be implemented to protect fans and maintain order during celebrity appearances?
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.